I hate this place. I've been here like 5 years. It's such a drag. At least we weren't eliminated via votes. Do you know what happened to us? We had to endure pain and suffering for like 2 years straight, dude. Your time isn't even right. Oh, I know damn well you two aren't talking. Ballpoint pen, you're standing there like you're about to give my restaurant a 2-star review on Yelp. It's not that fucking deep. A notebook, how about you shut your no phone, Google Chrome, listens to Post Malone. Grew up in a foster home, but still living on a down low. Ass up, dude. What have I become? Hey, MRM, how do you do it? Do what? You know, your aura. I want to have the same aura like you. So, I can be an aura monster too. I can't tell you. Because it's a secret. Fine. The secret is this family heirloom passed down for generations. It will give you courage.
Yo, Red Bull, this is your imaginary friend Thomas. You were leaving me on red. We were supposed to practice for the big dance. I can show you what I've been working on. It's pretty good. You're gonna get to see. Hit it!
My newfound ability to munch has freed me from my limitations, and I now realize that you aren't real. So, you will now cease to exist.
No!
Well, Team Green, you got absolutely violated last challenge. This elimination, frankly, kinda sucked ass. We only got 6 votes. Loafpan, your first safe with 1.
Wow, this makes me so happy. I want to sing. Cue the intro.
Wait, no, what the fuck? We already did intro. Kane, you're safe next. Yes! You're doing good. Well, now it's down to MRM and glass casing. You see this little problem though. We got 6 votes, and the 4 votes that weren't for Kane and Loafpan were split evenly between you two. So it's a tie. And I think I'm gonna let Team Burgundy decide which one of you gets the boot. Because I'm so fucking evil.
Yeah, we should take MRM. He's by far, like, the biggest threat of these two.
Yeah, I can't really argue with that, I agree. He's
Yeah, it doesn't really matter to me. Red Bull, aren't you gonna try to, like, save me? I thought we were friends.
I'm sorry, but you're just way too big of a threat. The munch has cleared my mind. I was blind to see, but now I see. Monochrome rod magnet? More like monochrome eliminated magnet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to eliminate you now, bye. Now then, before formally announcing the next challenge, I want to reveal to you guys that we have officially hit the merge. Yeah, you Final 7 will no longer be in teams as you'll be competing for individual immunity. Now, time for the challenge. As you may have noticed, Fwomp is here to assist us. Say hi, Fwomp. Your challenge is simple. Thwomp will be hunting you down because he wants to take your lives. If you do die, you will be recovered, you won't be eliminated, but that's just this time. The last one standing will win individual immunity. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna go and defeat Thwomp so none of us have to get hurt. Wait, no, you're not gonna win against Thwomp, and it's too late, she's already gone. Fuck. Hey Thwomp, wanna throw hands? Cause I can throw hands. Come on, let's see what you got, let's see what you got. Oh wait, no.
Chuck I did it! We gotta fucking run!
If you think that thing is gonna give you, like, infinite luck,
I told you so.
Finally, my master plan. The hole. Thwomp will come by, and then it'll fall in the hole. Like planned. Wait, fuck.
Wow, it seems it's only us, the final four left. I wonder what will occur now.
nothing's gonna happen because of my mom. You know, killing Red Ballistine, isn't it kinda cute?
Low-key, I see the vision.
Oh, a gun for me? Oh, nice, let me just win challenge then.
Wait, Kane, no!
The heirloom fucking won! Welp, Kane won immunity, and now it's time for you guys to go into the poll in the description and vote on who you want to be eliminated in the next episode. The person with the most votes permanently leaves the game. Have a good one. This is me, and I'm signing off.